Hey friend, so if you overstayed your visa and you're thinking about leaving the US, I want you to stop scrolling because this can trigger a 3 or even a 10-year immigration bar. So I cannot tell you how many people leave the US thinking that they're doing the right thing, and then they find out that they've just banned themselves from coming back for many years. Okay, so here's the reality. If you've overstayed your visa for more than 180 days and you leave the US, you can trigger a 3-year bar. If you've overstayed for more than 1 year and you leave, you can trigger a 10-year bar. And once you have that bar triggered, you usually need a hardship waiver in order to come back. Okay, now here's the part that most people don't understand. Not everyone who overstays is automatically stuck forever. Some people do qualify to fix their status inside the US without having to leave. And then there's going to be others who need a strategy, a waiver strategy, before they decide to depart. Now, leaving the US without a legal plan can ultimately destroy your case. I've seen people lose marriages, families, and years of their life because they didn't get legal advice before they made the decision to depart the US. So your options are going to depend on things like who the petitioner is. So for example, if you are applying for a marriage-based green card and your petitioner is a US citizen, whether you enter the US legally, right? If you've been abused, if you have a criminal record, that's going to matter. If you've been a victim of a crime, and how long you overstayed. Every case is going to be different, okay? So if this sounds like your situation, do not leave the US without speaking to an immigration attorney first. You can book a consultation with me using the link in my bio. You can contact me through WhatsApp or call my office. I represent clients nationwide regarding US immigration, and I can speak to you to come up with a strategy on what your options are, whether or not you can stay and legalize in the country, whether or not you should depart, and what that action plan is going to look like. Again, if you'd like to set up a call with me, you can reach out to me and I'd be happy to help you. Talk to you soon.